All right, hello, my name is Rich, and I am out here in my garage. This is where I make all my stuff that I sell for craft shows. And today I wanted to talk a little bit about this. What is it? It is a bottle topper. It goes into a bottle of wine or a bottle of liquor. After you open it up, you just replace the cork with that. So wanted to talk about the process on how I make those. First, you start off with a block, basically a simple block. This is resin that I cast. Block of wood. This is Purple Heart. And then this is Spectra Ply. This is basically birch plywood that's in layers, and it's dyed different colors to give you that nice special effect. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to drill into the top, and you're going to glue in one of these little bushings to get this. And you glue in that little bushing right there. Then what you do after that, then what you do, I'm working on this. I'm just trying to get used to being in front of the camera. So you take this little mandrel and your stopper, screw it together. Your mandrel is going to go into your lathe, and it's going to spin really fast, probably between 1500 to 2000 RPMs is what I spin up my lathe to cut a bottle topper. Then you're going to take this tool. I have different shapes. This is round, I have square, and then I have a pointed one. And basically what it does is it cuts into the shape, and you cut it down, and then you sand it down, and then you're going to get your final shape, something like this. They're all different. Every one of them is different. So this shape right here, kind of patriotic, red, white, and blue. It's cut into different little grooves and different little curves, and you see how you get that special little thing with the Spectra Ply. So once you do that, you're going to put your metal piece. I purchased these online. You put your metal piece in there, screw it on tight, and then that's your bottle topper. Now I did go over, I said you could do wood. I don't want to lose my stuff over here, but you could do wood. This is maple, spalted maple. So then you could do your resin, which I like to cast myself. And that's basically it. So bottle toppers, they're fun to make. I make a lot of them. I sell a lot of them. And that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.